Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. So you know, as Automotive Inc. we do everything auto. So today we're working on a 2014 Ford Fiesta hatchback, and this has got a bad blinker. So we're gonna get in there and swap out the bulbs. I will tell you what ones you need, and we're actually gonna swap a few out with LED to give us more light and less draw when the lights are on themselves. Before we get going, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, helps my channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell. Go over to the channel, tons of how-to videos on just about everything. We're gonna have a lot on this vehicle, including a full detail because it's pretty grody. So, but these videos are simple, so that way if you're on the road and you can at least get to an auto parts store or a Walmart or whatever, you can grab yourself a new bulb and get in there and get going. So first things first, we need to take this light bezel off. So on both sides, it's going to be the same whether you got your left or your right. Now this is going to be a Torx type screw right here. I kind of wiped it down because it's really dusty in here. And it's a Torx 25. There are two of them, so we're going to take both of these out. Once you get those two out, there are going to be two little prongs in here that kind of hold the light in. So you're just going to wiggle it back until it kind of pops loose of all the grime and stuff around here. And then you won't need any objects. You don't want to use metallic objects in there, but you can kind of pry up on the bottom here until this comes out. And then from there, you can just undo these actual light clamps. Can only go in one hole, so you can't really screw it up. But if you want to keep track, then you can mark one with a Sharpie. Of course, we have our reverse light. We're going to swap that out with an LED. And I'll link all this stuff on the Zon so you can do it. So if you have more time and you just want to swap them out for LEDs, you can. Now, one thing is for sure, we're not going to swap out the turn signal bulb, which is amber, with an LED, because I've checked the ones that I have that have CAN buses on them to slow down hyperflash, and they still have hyperflash. So hyperflash is when your bulb itself flashes rapidly instead of like a normal phase. Now, if you don't mind that, then you can feel free to swap those out. But you can try some different ones if you want, but I've tried about 6 dozen types. Now, in this instance, our brake lamp and our tail lamp don't have to worry about that, so we're going to swap that out with an LED. So as you can see right here, it's going to be a quarter turn counterclockwise to undo those. Now, we're going to go and clean off the back of the lights here, and when I got it out, we're going to go ahead and clean out all the grime and crap in here. It's good if you got a lot of stuff, leaves and debris, to make sure you don't get rusty spots in your car. So these bulbs themselves, if you go into the manual, it's going to show that this is a P27 white, P27 amber, and then we have our little 912 here. So a 3157 will work just fine. You can see it's smoky black in there. So we're going to get rid of that guy. And like I said, if you want to buy these, they're almost as expensive as an LED anymore. So you can get LEDs that are white, amber, or red, so you can kind of pick. So we're going to go ahead and get the light cleaned up, get this area cleaned up, and then we'll come back with the bulbs. So the small reverse light will be swapped out with a 912. So, and to pull these out, you're just going to pull straight directly on the bulb themselves. These ones won't matter as much if you do touch them versus a headlight, which a halogen, your greasy handprints can actually make the bulb burn out. So we're going to get this swapped out. All right, so we got the bulbs back in. Now you just need to line these two tabs down in here with this rubber grommet here. We'll pop those in and put our screws back in. And now you can see, guys, that this 912 LED is emitting so much better light. So when you're backing up, it's nice to have it. We have a really nice bright tone in here with that new LED. So even at the daytime, your running lamps look good. And then we left the amber the way it is. So I'm going to put all the links down below if you guys want to swap those out with the LEDs. I'll put the original part numbers, the part numbers that you can swap, like the 3157 versus the P27. And everything will be down below. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.